Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Phantom 5 update, May 17, 2018. We'll have that coming right up. Before we jump into the update, I have some housekeeping that I'd like to go over with you. Number one, there is nothing on the FCC grant ID database regarding a DJI Phantom 5 as of today's date, May 17, 2018. Number two, there has been no release announcement from DJI regarding a DJI Phantom 5. Number three, this past Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live, I issued a formal apology to Osita LV for remarks that I made after what transpired in early March of 2018. I've also issued this apology to him on Twitter as well. You're welcome to check out my last episode of Tuesday Night Rotor Talk Live and also the apology that's listed on Twitter. Number four, you're free to interpret the information I'm about to show you in any way that you choose. Let's get into the information. What I'm about to show you are some pictures from Osita LV of the lens and lens system on what looks to be a purported mock-up of a Phantom. So let's get into this. The first picture shows, it's dated April 11th, clear shot, and you see the undercarriage of what looks like a mock-up of a Phantom or a prototype of a Phantom. And then we'll go ahead on to the next slide. The next slide says it's getting close, and what you're seeing, someone is holding a lens in front of a gimbal assembly and lens system. Now take a good look at this picture here. And then we're going to look at the last picture here. It says, hey, don't put your lenses in that way. And it looks to be two prototypes of Phantoms on the table with these lenses detached, sitting on the table along with batteries and a couple of controllers there as well. So Bill, what does all this mean? Number one, these are real pictures. Number two, if you take a look at the lens and lens system, and this is important, these are real. These are real lenses. These are real detachable lenses. These are precision engineered. These are not something that is photoshopped or altered in any way. These are real. And so again, what does all this mean? I believe right now DJI is actually testing this. And I believe this is very good news regarding a Phantom 5 for this year. This is something that's very exciting. This is what I believe is real concrete evidence regarding the Phantom 5. So again, you know, we haven't had a whole lot to go on, but I believe this is not based on a rendering. These are real pictures. Again, take a look at those. Again, take a look at that. That is precision engineered lens and lens system for a DJI Phantom prototype. We don't know what this is, but we do know it's a prototype, and I do believe that that is a prototype of a Phantom 5. And this is exciting because this means that they are actually out there, out in the field, and testing this. So that is good news for a release of a DJI Phantom 5 this year. Now, I have a final comment that I want to make to you before, and I want you to think about this before you actually go ahead and put a comment down here. Osita LV and I have three things in common. One, we both love aerial photography and videography. Two, we both love drones. And number three, we both love DJI drones. You, as my viewers and subscribers, are here watching this video because you love aerial photography, videography, you love drones, and you love DJI drones. So let's be positive here, and let's try to unite. And this is one thing that I have talked about, especially on my Tuesday Night Rotor Talk live shows. Let's unite as a community, and a community of drone enthusiasts and hobbyists, for something that we're all passionate about. We may not all speak the same language around the world. I know Osita LV probably doesn't speak English, and I don't speak his dialect over there. But one thing that we do speak drones, and we do speak DJI drones because we all love them. So let's look at that, and let's look at that in that way before you actually sit down and type up your comment. If you like the video, if you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI or Autel related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account as well, where I do post daily updates there. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.